Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. So this video is regarding IIT Tirupati M.Tech admissions, dear students. So let us see the details of this M.Tech admissions. So in order to see this, you need to go to the URL iittp.ac.in/mtech admission. So if you go there, so you can see here Master of Technology, dates, guidelines, areas, eligibility, financial assistance, documents, fees, apply online and cutoffs. See, opening date of online application. Here you can observe clearly, opening date is 20th March 2026 from 10 AM. And the closing date for online application is 20th April 2026, 5 PM, that is Monday, dear students. So regarding COAP rounds and everything, the information will be updated shortly. So we will get back to you once the COAP portal is open. Now coming to the areas. So here you can see department, chemical engineering, M.Tech stream specialization, chemical engineering is there, civil and environmental engineering, environmental and water resources engineering specialization is there, geotechnical engineering specialization is there, structural engineering specialization, transportation and infrastructure engineering. Coming to computer science and engineering, you have computer science and engineering specialization, data science and artificial intelligence specialization. Then electrical engineering, signal processing, communication and machine learning, microelectronics and VLSI, RF and microwave engineering. For mechanical engineering, computational mechanics, design and manufacturing, thermal engineering and energy systems. So these are the specializations available, dear students. Coming to the eligibility, see, for half-time teaching assistantship candidates, so GATE qualified candidates, bachelor's degree in engineering technology, 4-year BS degree or master's degree in a suitable discipline as in the below table A through regular or distance mode, here he has given. Then education correspondence mode, online mode from educational institutions approved by AICTE and government. Candidates must have qualified GATE 2026, 2025 or 2024 in a suitable GATE paper as in the below table, table A. Now, candidates yet to appear or have appeared in the final examination for the qualifying degree specified as specified below and whose are likely to complete the requirements for qualifying degree July 2026. So, all these are eligible. IIT graduates, candidates graduated from IITs with B.Tech degree in suitable discipline as in the below table. Candidate must have CGPA of 8, 7.5 for SC/ST on a scale of 10 and above in the B.Tech degree. So this is what he has given. Sponsored category related information is also given here. Kindly go through this information carefully. Now, see here regarding the department, stream, discipline and the GATE qualifying paper, he has given a table here. This is most important thing which you have to see. Chemical engineering. So chemical engineering stream is there. If a candidate has B.Tech, BE, MSc in any discipline can apply for this chemical specialization, dear students. GATE paper should be in chemical, biotechnology, environmental studies, metallurgical engineering, petroleum engineering, mechanical engineering, XE, engineering sciences or aerospace engineering. So BE, B.Tech in chemical engineering candidates, any GATE paper, they are eligible to apply for this specialization. Then coming to civil and environmental engineering. So environmental and water resources engineering, here you can see BE, B.Tech in agricultural engineering, biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, energy engineering or environmental engineering. So agricultural engineering GATE paper or biotechnology or chemical or civil or environmental science. So then MSc in atmospheric science, chemistry, environmental science, microbiology, these people also can apply for this specialization. Geotechnical engineering, BE, B.Tech in civil engineering, then civil engineering or environmental science or mining engineering GATE paper. So the candidates who are having BE, B.Tech in civil engineering and have written any of these papers can apply for this geotechnical engineering specialization. Structural engineering, BE, B.Tech in civil engineering, GATE paper should be civil engineering or aerospace engineering. Transportation and infrastructure engineering, BE, B.Tech in civil engineering, GATE paper should be in civil engineering or environmental science and engineering or metallurgical engineering or mining engineering. That is what he has given, dear students. Then computer science and engineering branch, here we have two specializations. So BE, B.Tech, MSc, MCA, MS degree in any discipline. So these people can apply. So for computer science and engineering, CS paper or data science and artificial intelligence paper. So only those two papers are there. But for data science and artificial intelligence, along with computer science DA papers, statistic paper, whoever have written that also, they can apply for this specialization. Then coming to electrical engineering, here you have microelectronics and VLSI. So BE, B.Tech degree in electrical, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering, computers and communication engineering, biomedical, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics engineering, VLSI design and technology, electronics communication, advanced communication technology, then electronics and computer engineering and allied disciplines, or MSc in electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication engineering, physics and allied discipline. So there are three specializations here, dear students. For these three specializations, so the undergraduate degree related information he has given. MSc students also can apply for this. And here for microelectronics and VLSI, electronics or electrical paper, gate paper. Whereas for RF and microwave engineering, electronics, electrical, instrumentation or physics. 4 papers eligibility he has given. Signal processing, communication and machine learning, electronics, electrical and instrumentation. Only 3 papers who have written. So any of these 3 papers they can apply for this specialization. Then coming to mechanical engineering branch, computational mechanics, BE B.Tech degree in mechanical, civil or aerospace. Gate paper, mechanical, civil, aerospace, XC with fluid mechanics and solid mechanics as optional subjects. Only they can apply for computational mechanics. Then design and manufacturing, BE B.Tech degree in mechanical engineering, production, industrial and production engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, mechanical engineering paper or production and industrial engineering paper or metallurgical engineering. They only can apply. Thermal engineering and energy systems, BE B.Tech degree in mechanical engineering, aerospace, energy engineering or chemical engineering, mechanical engineering gate paper or aerospace engineering gate paper. Only these 2 papers they have given, dear students. Now let me get back to the remaining information here. So regarding financial this assistance, as you all know, the financial assistance will be 12,400 rupees per month, tenable for a maximum period of 24 months. That is what he has given here, dear students. Kindly go through this. Only for Indian nationals this will be given. And coming to the fee structure, so you can click on the link that is available here, so that you will get the complete fee structure of this IIT Tirupati Master of Technology related programs. Then cutoffs, as of now they have not updated the GATE 2025 cutoff. Shortly this will be updated. So then you can see what is the cutoff for various departments in 2025. Then coming to apply online. So here you can click here to apply. Then first thing what you need to do is click here for new registration. So here he is asking Indian citizen, regular or foreign national. So Indian citizen, if you click here, so name, mobile number and email ID. See, name in full as in 10th standard or SSLE certificate. That is what he has given. The fields entered during registration will become non-editable in the application and cannot be edited. So please be careful when you are entering these details, dear students. So please check all the email folder including spam for registration email. So that is what he is giving. See, I always used to suggest the students, dear students, that you create a separate email ID for this total admission process for your MTech, so that it will be easy for you to see which email you have got from which IIT, and you will have a proper idea of what to do, dear students. So this is about IIT Tirupati MTech admission information, dear students. Once again, I am showing you the important dates. The last date to apply online is 20th April 2026 up to 5 PM. That is on Monday, dear students. Okay. Thank you. All the very best.